Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the minimal prerequisites so the code runs. First, add Firebase Core plus either Flutter local notifications for local alerts or Firebase messaging for push, update pubspec, YAML and run Flutter pubget. Next, configure Android manifest and info. List permissions for notifications and battery exemptions. Then, register your app in Firebase and copy Google services, JSON or Google Service Info, list into the project. Once done, initialize Firebase in main, so the framework and plugins are ready to receive messages. Now implement the core logic. In main, call widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized and Firebase. Initialize app, then initialize Flutter local notifications with platform settings. Register on background message and on message handlers to process payloads. This lets you handle taps and background data. Create an Android notification channel, set importance, sound, vibration, and match it in notification details. When a message arrives, extract title, body, and custom data, then call Flutter Local Notifications plugin. Show, to render the alert immediately. Make sure to request runtime permissions where required. To finish, test end-to-end. Send a data and a notification message from Firebase console and from your server to validate behavior while the app is foregrounded, backgrounded, and terminated. Confirm tap actions navigate correctly by including a route ID in the payload. If notifications fail, enable debug logs and inspect device logs for registration token and delivery errors. Then verify the FCM server key, topic subscription, and manifest entries. A single key mismatch often causes silent failures, so recheck those values.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.